Hello students, today we are going to start with textbook of 5th standard environmental study part 1. The first chapter that we are going to learn is our home and environment. Now in this chapter they have shown the different types of houses. Okay? On the way to your school or market or when you travel to another town, you see many things. Observe carefully the houses that you see. Note the construction shape, building materials, and other aspects of the different houses. Do some of the houses resemble the specimens shown above? Okay. Now, when you go to school, okay, children, now when you go to school on the road, you see many things, right? You see in these houses, first thing comes in your mind when you see these houses, you first thing comes in your mind that how the construction and shape and the materials are used to build up these houses, right, students? Now, what material are used for building houses? Student, can you tell what materials needs to build these houses? We use bricks, cements, water, etc. Right? Compare any two types of houses that you saw and note down the differences. Okay? While you're roaming in road, okay? You just check two houses to nearby you and note down the difference in your book. Okay? Students, this is your activity. What are the different things from which a house give us protection? So what do you think, students? Which house give us protection? Can you tell? Here again I am repeating the question. What are the different things from which a house give us protection? What protection we get from the house? We get protection from sun, rain, air, and bird and animals also, right, students? Okay. In what way are the houses A, B, and C different? What was the difference between these three houses A, B, and C? Can you tell, students? Okay. Which of them appears to be the safest? What do you think between these three? Which one is the most safest house? Can you tell, students? Yes. House 3 means C1. C1 is safest house. Why it is so? Why it is safe, students? Can you tell anyone? C is the safest one because you can check the roof. See, you can check the roof. Okay, this roof is we can say C is called as a pakka house, right? Because you can see A and B is kacha house. Okay, it is made up of grass and leaves. As you can see, A is made up of grass and B is made up of leaves. Okay, in rainy season, the rain is all slowly comes down from the roof. Okay, slowly comes down from the roof, and A and B houses can soak the rainwater because it is made up of grass and leaves. Understood the difference between? Okay, now move to next point. Which of the above houses are mainly seen in cities, which are seen mainly in the rural areas? Rural area means villages. Okay, can you tell which houses you can see in cities and which house you can see in villages? In city we see mainly D1, right? D type of houses we can see in cities. Big buildings are there, right? And in rural area we sorry, in rural area we see E1, that is E. This this type of house we saw mostly in a rural area. Okay. Moving to our next question. Think, tick, sorry, where it is? Yes. Think about your own environment and the climate there and choose the most suitable house for yourself by putting tick in the box near the picture. Okay. Now students, according to the environment, climate, you can choose, according to the environment and climate, you can choose any of these houses which is suitable for yourself. Okay, it is up to you. You can choose any of houses according to environment and climate. Okay students, now next, we saw different types of houses in the pictures. Their main uses can be listed as follow: a shelter, a resting place, protection against the sun, the wind, the cold and the rains, protection from wild animals, keeping ourselves safe from anti-social elements. Okay students, now what they are said there, our houses is a shelter place. Okay, as you all know, when we are in house we feel very safe, right? So we get protection against the sun, the wind, the cold and the rain. Okay, and also from wild animals. Now when you see any rats going around near your houses, you keep your self safe in your houses. Okay, understood? Now next page. Now they have given this picture according to the Indian map. They have given the types of major region and the types of houses. So let me tell you about these houses. As you can see here as written, the above figures show a map of India and the types of houses that are common in the respective regions since ancient times. Note how the construction or structure of the houses changes from region to region. How the construction of the houses changes according to the region to region. In some region we need a this type of houses, and in the rainfall region we need this type of houses, right? So there is a changes, depends on region to region. See, region of heavy rainfall. Okay, heavy rainfall types of region we need this type of houses. See these two. Why? Because the roof of these houses is suitable for heavy rainfall. Okay, understood? It is suitable for the heavy rainfall. In rainy season, the rain is slowly comes down from the roof. That's why it is suitable for the heavy rainfall region. Now next is region of medium rainfall. Medium rainfall region, can you guess where it is? Yes, in the middle of this. Can you see region of medium rainfall here? This type of houses we need for medium range of houses, rain. Okay. Now region of low rainfall. Can you search region of low rainfall? Yes, here. Region of low rainfall. Three houses is given here. First is this, second this, and third one is this. Okay. Now come to next, desert region. Desert region means mostly in a Rajasthan types of housing where lack of scarcity of water. Desert region we need this type of houses. See this and this. Okay. Now next, marshy region. Where is marshy region? Have you can see, yeah. Only one type of houses for marshy region. Here this type of houses we needed for marshy region. Okay. Now next is mountainous region and plains also there. Mountainous region, there are three types of houses we need. Mountainous region. See, first is this, these three. Okay, understood? And for plane, last one is planes. For planes we need this, only one type of house. Understood? Now moving to our next point. People build houses to suit the climate for their region using the natural resources that are available. Differences in the construction and building materials give rise to the different types of houses. Water, food, clothing, and shelter are the basic needs of every human being. However, these needs are not fulfilled in case of each and every person, then the following situation arises. Around us, we see many people who lack shelter. They seek shelter at the roadside, on footpath, under bridges, in tumble down building, in railway or bus stands, or even on open ground. Many people are forced to be homeless because they have insufficient or no means of livelihood. Now see, here some one picture has given your book shelter on the footpath. See, they have given the picture the shelter on the footpath. When you walk on the road, you see the people making shelter in footpath, right? Now, according to the climate, people build their houses for themselves, right? Every region, city, or villages, you will see different types of construction and materials and shape they use to build the houses. Now, human basic needs is food, clothing, and shelter, but every needs are not fulfilled in every situation, right? So if you see, when you take a walk on road, you must have seen footpath, right? Footpath, under bridges, open ground, tumble down building, railway or bus stand, and open ground. Their financial condition is not good, so they live in these areas. Okay, because of financial condition they have to live in this type of areas. Many people were forced to be homeless. They have insufficient or low means of livelihood. Okay, understood, students? Now, a section of our society being homeless is a social problem. That is why the government implements many of these schemes to provide homes to the homeless. In some of the city, the government makes night shelter available to the homeless. Okay,